Hi everyone, coming to you today with another speed burring video. As you would have noticed on my channel, I've been doing this puzzle right here, which is a chuck puzzle. And I'm around about 41 seconds with this puzzle. In this video, we're not going to do this. In this video, we're going to step it up a notch. I'm bringing this guy here, and what this is a puppet chuck. This one here has 54 pieces in it, and it's the next stage up from your standard chuck puzzle. So this has 24 pieces and this has 54 pieces. So I'm going to be solving this one in this video. I've done this before. I'm around about 3 minutes with this puzzle, but this video is just going to be a reference in case, if I improve with this puzzle. It's just something to look back on, sort of thing. Basically what this video is going to be about. So it's going to be my first sort of speed assembly because I'm not that fast yet. So let's go ahead and give it a dismantle. And if you've noticed, solving, what I've noticed is when I'm solving larger burrs, they're a lot harder to actually solve because there's more pieces to deal with. On this one, the pieces are a lot longer. I've got to find the other key piece. Sometimes these key pieces on the outside are quite hard sometimes to find. I think that's all good. I just need to take out this one. So, which is this one. This is actually a larger key piece. So your standard chuck puzzle has these ones, but on this one you've got a larger one as well. So you just come up. So you just have one extra large, longer key piece. There's only one of them, so I'm going to go ahead and dismantle it even more. I'm going to get speed assembly on it. So take that apart, take it off, and then just, as you can see, it's a lot more. Pieces are longer, and look how long those pieces are. So we're going to go ahead and give it a muddle and see how fast we can do it in this video. So I'm going to see what I can do first. It's pretty good. Alright, so let's go. And as you noticed, this is similar to your standard chuck puzzle. It's starting here, but it's just a bit longer, a bit more broad. So we're going to put this in there like that. And as you notice, I'm not that fast at this puzzle because I haven't really developed my method with it, but that wasn't good. So I kind of just sort of started practicing it, but I should get better. I'd say it's ones. Some more there. Same on top there. Same on top there. This one. Goes in here. Goes in there. And we flip around. And as you can see, that was pretty slow, but just because you've got more pieces to deal with, you don't want them to fall out. So you've got that. Now where's that key piece? There it is. Pop that in there. Let's put it there. Turn it over. Just come in. That's done. I'll just add these pieces on. Oh, luckily enough, that was a PB. That was 253. So not bad. So yeah, so that's basically my first assembly on YouTube for this. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's pretty cool, but it's a lot more difficult to get these pieces in because things you have to move, slide around, and all that kind of stuff. So, but anyways, that's my first assembly on the Papa Chuck puzzle. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, take care.